Watching this video will astound you. Distinguished guests, the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world, Coinbase, is now assisting Ripple after receiving a lawsuit from the SEC. I know it sounds crazy, but it's true. Quickly, they must unite to vanquish the SEC. There has never been a more bullish sign than this. The experts at Oldster predict that the price of Ripple's XRP will rise above 100 when the victory rolls around. This is too important for you to ignore without. Along with Hyundo's dive-in disclaimer, the dismissal of the SEC's case against Coinbase has shifted the focus to XRP, leading many to wonder whether Ripple will be the next big thing. Furthermore, if the SEC decides to follow suit, it might set off a chain reaction that sends XRP shockwaves through the cryptocurrency market. A lot of people think this means regulators are starting to relax their grip on the industry, which could mean that Ripple can finally destroy loose in its own legal battle. The growing consensus among XRP captains is that the SEC has agreed to at least temporarily set aside its enforcement case against Coinbase. The outcome of the Ripple v SEC dispute is imminent. Rumor has it that Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong has thousands of XRP on hand, which would indicate that his faith in Ripple's future is higher than ever if true. This will shed light on why Coinbase has continued to be a strong supporter of XRP, relisting the token before the SEC case was fully resolved. Armstrong has even said that the SEC's approach to crypto regulation is flawed and advocated for more explicit clues that do not inhibit creativity. Speaking for the cryptocurrency network as a whole, Edo Farina said that the SEC should now sue Ripple for the same reason. However, holders of XRP are still owed billions of dollars by them. The length of the case has clearly reduced XRP's ability to collect fees. It is possible that XRP will be able to regain its previous glory if the SEC decides to drop the charges or settles. The SEC's position on cryptocurrency appears to be changing. In addition to dropping its case against Coinbase, the employer has delayed or appealed key decisions involving multiple crypto enforcements, along with the covert end to its investigation into the open sea. Likewise, support a regulatory climate that is constantly evolving. Jeremy Hogan, an expert in cryptocurrency law, has speculated that a Ripple agreement might take place as soon as May. Demand for XRP is expected to surge as the uncertainty surrounding it fades away. Although XRP's price has done nothing at all in February, the likelihood of a huge rally is increasing daily. If the SEC caves, as it did with Coinbase XRP holders, the next few weeks could be crucial, and holders will finally get their money's worth, as John Squire put it. XRP holders may be interested to know that the SEC has decided not to pursue legal action against Coinbase. Be prepared. What a neat idea, huh? This is just the beginning though, because things are about to get even more bizarre. According to experts, XRP is going to have a huge breakout soon. Even though the pace is unclear, a major change is on the horizon right now. These are the figures that they might actually be projecting. Absolutely astounding. What follows may not even occur to you. Thus, the financial global is in a state of flux right now. The conventional banking structure is undergoing a remarkable transformation. As a well-respected member of the XRP community, Armando Pantoy thinks that XRP is in a prime position to profit from the adoption of fintech innovations. He thinks that XRP could be propelled into mainstream global finance by the increasing demand for blockchain solutions, Ripple's success, and the impending need for new financial messaging standards. Claims that the present financial climate is undergoing unforeseen changes. Blockchain and other decentralized financial solutions are becoming an integral part of the digital transformation that traditional banking systems are undergoing. The ability to enable seamless, low-cost, and near-immediate transactions across borders is what makes XRP stand out among these changes. A trendy approach to implementing the ISO 2020 messaging, which Pantoja Ripples claims is an essential part of this change and that many businesses are moving toward. With Generation perfectly in sync with these updates, XRP has a huge leg up in the race to become the first cryptocurrency to fully integrate with global finance on a massive scale. The growing inefficiency of the SWIFT payment device, which has long been a major factor in XRP's potential upward thrust, is one of the primary drivers of this trend. Many people are unhappy with the DOM approach to cross transactions because of the high prices, lack of transparency, and long processing times. Pantoja emphasizes Ripple's payment infrastructure, which uses XRP to replace older banking systems with faster and cheaper transaction capabilities. More and more people are starting to see XRP as a better option. As Ripple's network, the XRP ledger, and economic revolution is brewing as a result of ISO adoption. Traditional banking networks such as SWE will become obsolete, according to Pantoja, who thinks this transition will eventually happen. With an estimated $23 trillion trapped in traditional finance, financial experts have been vocal about the mic changes approaching the global monetary region. According to Pantoja, a major change is on the horizon. There is a noticeable pattern in the market data. Shares of traditional banks have been falling, while investments in fintech have soared by 272% in the last 3 years. The financial world is shifting towards blockchain and digital assets, according to experts, so traders who get in early should benefit greatly. Until this variation has occurred, most people will not comprehend it. Experts caution that the best rewards will accrue to those who operate independently prior to widespread adoption. While some have predicted more cautious targets of $20 to $25 for XRP's future valuation, Toya has garnered attention with his ambitious predictions. His argument is that XRP's potential for long-term growth goes well beyond those numbers. He predicts that XRP's price will rise exponentially as institutional adoption speeds up and traditional finance accepts virtual assets. A large number of new millionaires could be made possible by XRP. Pantoja insisted it's a state-of-the-art fee. Reaching the $100 mark would require an additional 4% increase in XRP. But not everyone in the cryptocurrency industry is so upbeat. Critical thinkers point out that such a valuation could necessitate an absurdly high market cap of $10 trillion. Some critics, such as Yanzi, who was a consumer once, have discussed Pantoja used to give more reasonable predictions, but now she's pushing for impossible targets like $1,000. Is the potential market cap something you're familiar with? When asked about the figures, the ex-user wizard implied that they could be fantastic considering the current state of the industry. The subject of much debate is whether XRP can take advantage of the wider shift towards virtual assets and achieve its highest potential. Its future role in economic systems is uncertain, but its innovative trajectory suggests it will continue to play a significant role. How amazing is that? I see the factor now. The growth of Ripple isn't always facilitated by danger. I call it fuel. XRP is poised to become widely used thanks to its strong partnerships. What you're about to discover will change everything. Unless it's true with me, I don't think you're prepared for this. Because of its revolutionary potential to provide instantaneous financial transactions, XRP Ripple coin is quickly becoming a popular cryptocurrency.